Alright, one box to go. Look at that mountain of trash there. What's this? It's not real heavy, didn't bounce hard. Nicely packed, whatever it is. Lots of foam in there. Yeah. Ah, swing on. There's some other stuff. Let's see, something hidden in there, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, that'd been something nice to throw away. Some original tank badges. Oh, these are fender badges. Dual glide. Yeah, throw that in your packing material away. That'd be piss you off. So there's genuine dual glide badging. Yeah, see, one side has an R and the other one doesn't. Nice. And this one's all broken up, and this one's all broken too. So I'm sure they really told me that when I bought them. So these are garbage. These have got to be glued on with tape, because the titties are all gone. Oh well. What are these down here? These are the clips with the titties still in them. Yep. They broke them taking them off. I bet you they didn't tell me that on the YouTube that they, or I mean on eBay, that they were that way. Oh yeah, they got writing on the inside. Numbering. There you go. Go in this direction. So 58, 59 there it says. Well, 58 would be dual glide, so it should be 58. Yeah, this one's marked too. These are original. It's weird that one has an R and one doesn't though. That's kind of weird. So that one had the R on it and this one didn't. You can see it's the same mold, they just didn't flatten it out. Yeah, these are original. I was going to put them on my 59. I'll probably still put them on my 59, but they're going to have to be glued on. Obviously they can't be put on correctly. Alright, there you go.